थोड़ा मैं भी अपने बारे में बताऊंगी। गेम थेरेपिस्ट, गेम थेरेपी ये टर्म ही बहुत नया है क्योंकि ये टर्म मैंने खुद ने बनाया है। जैसे हम बोलते हैं डॉक्टर्स मेडिसिन प्रिस्क्राइब करते हैं, like if anybody goes, or you know, when you go to anybody they'll prescribe some medicine for any kind of healing. The same way when people come to me I prescribe games. I simply say ये गेम खेलो और ठीक हो जाएगा, just like मुन्ना भाई में वो जादू की जप्पी थी and you get fine. The same way here I say play this game and things will get fine. And yesterday I was just getting interviewed by somebody and they are like किसी को सिर में दर्द हो रहा है तो क्या मेडिसिन रिप्लेस कर सकती, क्या गेम्स मेडिसिन को रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं? सो आई एम नॉट द राइट पर्सन, आई एम नॉट अ डॉक्टर, बट आई कैन डेफिनेटली से दैट in the brain also there are happy chemicals, out of which endorphin is the natural painkiller, and games activate all these four chemicals. So naturally they do help healing multiple things. A lot of psychological and neurological processes are happening when the games are being played. Just as Kaustubh ji said, this is my book. We can see the books here also. This is what I have authored. It is available on Amazon also, and it is also available at my stall outside. Mainly it is for teachers, parents, psychologists, anybody who wants to start using games as a learning tool or as a healing tool. They can definitely be having a lot of advantage with my book. Now talking about me, I have been in education. I am a psychologist. I have been in education domain for 19 years now. I used to work with the top educational companies and I've done teacher training for nearly 6-7 years. Pan India, I've gone to multiple, more than 300 schools probably. And when I left my job, the one thing that always pinched me was that when children are in school, what is it, especially when it came to language development, that is where the research began, that people who are graduate, they make grammatical errors in English and they have been exposed to English language from kindergartner till the TY. So more than 15 years they are using English, still they don't pick up. But when it's the mother tongue, it is at the age of 3 years that the child actually learns the entire language. By 5 years they are very fluent in the language. So language doesn't take so much time to learn, then what is it? And that's when I realized it's the fear of performance. Like if I am making something very good, I can do that flawlessly every single day. But if somebody says today an XYZ, some VIP person is going to come and see how you do that. तो जो चीज़, let's say एक रेसिपी है, जो रेसिपी मुझे बाय हार्ट होगा वो मैं बिना देखे रोज़ बनाती रहूँगी. बट एक दिन कोई VIP आ रहा है, किसी ने बोला संजीव कपूर जैसा कोई शेफ़ आ रहा है, एंड then if I have to make, I'll ensure that I'm following the recipe. तो वो जो fear of performance है, this is what happens in school. English is treated as a subject, not as a language. So because of the fear of performance, we are not picking up English language as good as other languages. Also in school it's really treated. So even if children who are Christian or whose mother tongue is English, they may be fluent but they may not score the highest marks in English. That's because we have the grammar exams and everything. So it's very different. तो इस चीज़ से मेरा रिसर्च शुरू हुआ कि what is it that is not allowing learning to happen. And तब मेरा games का passion बढ़ने लगा. After leaving the job, I started gathering more and more games. So just as Kaustubh ji said, I have more than 500 games at home. And ये collection, एक एक चीज़ पे मैंने फिर और deep सोचना शुरू किया. मेरा न्यूरोलॉजी का रीडिंग मैंने ज़्यादा शुरू किया. सो एवरीथिंग that research started getting stronger and stronger. So today I can say I have really deeply researched into the neurology and the psychology of games, and also in this process I have become a brain fitness coach for anybody about 30-40 years of age till the senior citizens, on helping how brain diseases can be prevented just by game therapy. In fact, in many countries, puzzles, jigsaw puzzles, multiple type of games, and something that we call as circular dance, all this is used as an intervention for dementia patients. So this is where the researchers have gone. And as a Khel Khel Mein is a company founded by me. So as you can see, we cater to every possible age group from children. We have some special programs for women, and it's more like a productive kitty party. We have curated this new concept, and the idea is again psychologically healing the hormonal changes that happen in a woman from 30 to 55 years of age. Then of course we cater to the school age group, we cater to senior citizens, and we cater to corporate. I've done a couple of programs for business schools and for corporates. So, and coming to this, so just as I believe that life skills सबसे important है, more than academic subjects, yes they are important, your academic performance is important, but कल भी कौस्तुभ जी ने एक एग्जाम्पल दिया था कि दो बच्चे जो स्कूल में इतना अच्छे से परफॉर्म नहीं कर पा रहे, वो 18 इयर्स के एज पे, 16 के एज पे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स बन गए और ई साइकिल्स बनाना शुरू किया. ये एक एग्जाम्पल, आई डोंट नो कल कितने लोग थे व्हेन कौस्तुभ जी रिलेटेड टू दैट एग्जाम्पल. बट यही चीज़ जब मैं बोलती हूँ, आई बिलीव इन वॉकिंग द टॉक, एंड दिस इज़ वेयर आई टुक अ डिसीजन फॉर माई ओन सन. उसको 8th स्टैंडर्ड के बाद हम लोग ने स्कूल से निकाल दिया. ही इज़ नाउ 19 ईयर्स एंड 10th और 12th उसने प्राइवेट दिया, 9th टोटली स्किप किया, 11th टोटली स्किप किया है. टू द एक्सटेंट कि 10th की पढ़ाई भी हम लोग ने सिर्फ लास्ट 3 months में किया है. दैट होल ईयर वी वर जस्ट रोमिंग अराउंड मल्टीपल प्लेसेस इन इंडिया. ही स्टार्टेड हिज स्टडीज ओनली आफ्टर संक्रांत. सो 14th Jan से April तक का जो उसको टाइम मिला है, मार्च एंड तक का, दैट्स ऑल व्हाट ही हैज स्पेंट एंड ही स्कोर्ड 73%. सो इट्स नॉट अ बिग थिंग के 10th स्टैंडर्ड में इतना सारा टाइम हम सिर्फ बुक्स में डालें. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट वी यूज आवर skills in multiple areas. And if you can see in the pictures, my son was always interested in reptiles. So when I decided to unschool him, I started looking for people who can train a 14-year-old boy to rescue snakes, to identify snakes, to handle them again for the rescue purpose. And fortunately I got somebody in Bangalore. So 14 साल की उम्र में he went to, we stay in Mumbai, he went to Bangalore and he started getting trained. He started living with 300 plus animals. So शायद 1 साल, लाइक वो 15 साल का था, उसका 1 साल का एक्सपोजर वॉज गुड इनफ कि BSc जूलॉजी के जो बच्चे हैं, शायद उससे ज़्यादा बेटर प्रैक्टिकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग मेरे बेटे में आ गई थी, बिकॉज ही वॉज वर्किंग डे इन एंड डे आउट एंड ही वॉज लिविंग विद दैट animals in that petting zoo. Then of course you can see in this picture where, so this is a pet which was out of India, the python, but otherwise the chameleon which is there, that was found in a jungle. And you can see my son is still much younger. At 16 years of age he has become a open water scuba diver plus an advanced open water scuba diver, and he's now doing his advanced deep diver course. You can also see in the first picture he is crazy about trekking, and he has done some treks or the rope climbing things which are very difficult for regular trekkers also. Something like Wazir's Pinnacle and Tel Baila, all these are difficult treks, but he has done this very easily. And traveling is something which उसने 15 years के age पे backpacking tour की. Backpacking is basically you take your bag, you don't know where the next destination is, you don't have a car or anything. आप एक destination से दूसरे destination जा रहे हो तो आप रास्ते में रुक के lift मांग के जाते हो, local buses से travel करते हो. Every morning he would tell me, now today we are planning to go to this place and we have searched for an accommodation. किसी को कॉल करके बोलते हैं कि can we stay here. कुछ नहीं मिलता है तो by afternoon he will tell mummy, evening we don't have a place to stay. So we will look for some local dharamshalas or something, some sanatoriums, and we'll just send him the references. But everything, he and one more boy, he was 19, my son was 15. जब उसके friends 10th standard में enter हुए, my son did this backpacking tour. So the confidence in him, the awareness and the life skills that have built up, and yes we are hardcore gamers. हम लोग daily literally every day games खेलते हैं, especially my son and my husband. तो ये जो चीज़ें हैं that allow you to think in multiple parameters, and when you are exposed to the world, ये स्टोरी मैं स्पेशली इसीलिए शेयर कर रही हूँ. एडेड दिस स्लाइड येस्टरडे बिकॉज कौस्तुभ जी ने बोला कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स हैं, आप प्लीज़ अपने बेटे की जर्नी की शेयर करो. सो दैट इज़ व्हाई आई एम शेयरिंग. मूविंग टू माई टॉपिक, व्हाट इज़ अ गेम. सो गेम्स के बहुत सारे डेफिनेशंस हैं, but here I've just put one definition, that it's a structured form of play usually undertaken for entertainment or for educational tour. Now these are just a few quotes, and I strongly believe that play is nothing but brain or it is actually brain's work. When you're playing, your brain is working fully, it's functioning fully. So why are games important and what role do they play in our life? Since so many of you are here who are students and others who have gone through the school and college curriculum, we always have a study pressure to complete a curriculum, to do different things. But we don't get a charging point for the brain. We don't get a thinking exercise like logic लगाने का और वो सब रट्टा मारने को ही ज़्यादातर हम लोग, we are always running to do things. Now when I was looking at so many things here, people who are coming and showing toys, who are coming and showing the physics made through their projects, I really wish if I had something like that, it would have been so easy for me to learn science. But very often in the school curriculum, all these things are not incorporated. So our brain doesn't get a charging point. Second thing is, this is very, very important point.